Hep, wait, teka. Kababalik ko lang ng Pilipinas and you mean to tell me magpapaiyak na naman tayo ng mga taong walang content? So nag-post ang may-ari ng isang Korean restaurant na visit sila ni RM at nag-iwan ito ng signature. Ito ang caption, basahin natin. RM from BTS came to our store at the Waseda flagship store in South Korea. V and Jungkook normally come to the store. And this time, they even got RM's sign of support. Please come to Wasidaya Omotesando branch to taste the taste of Wasidaya. Okay, I believe this is a Japanese restaurant that just opened a branch in South Korea. Okay, kung hindi naman kayo nagtatanga-tangahan, they mentioned that V and Jungkook normally come to the store. V and Jungkook lang. They didn't say the other members of BTS. V and Jungkook specifically. And mag-focus tayo doon sa word na normally. Ibig sabihin, normal, madalas. At hindi dyan nagtatapos sa may init na balita. Dahil kung pupuntahan natin ang kanilang Instagram at hahanapin natin ang very first posting nila, which is this, their grand opening. And kung titingin kayo sa date kung kailan pinost, January 9, 2024. Ibig sabihin nasa military service na si V at si Jungkook. Oh, so may tatalak na naman dyan. Oh, kung nasa military service, paano sila nakakapunta dyan? If the owner or whoever is controlling their Instagram said that they normally come to the restaurant while they're in military service, it could only mean na every time na lalabas sila ng sabay, they would visit the restaurant. So every time na may paramdam si Jungkook or may paramdam si V na nasa labas sila ng military, it could mean na kumain sila dito sa restaurant na to together. So umiyak na, mga iiyak, magalit na ang mga magagalit, pero hindi sa amin ang galing ang balita. Hindi siya imbento, hindi siya haka-haka. So sa mga kakulto ko, idagdag na natin ang Wasidaya sa Atomics at Hawaii. Because the people have spoken, Taekook is real.